Hey Harry, I got your board fixed. We're gonna send it back. Here's a video, so we know it works. Here's your serial number, 685 497, and I've already programmed the board to my remote. And your light goes on in the back. Alright, now we're going to test the board with a sensor obstruction. Manual mode going down, it should trigger protection. We are protecting. Correcting the sensor. Retesting down. I'm gonna go, Harry. I'll get this shipped out for you ASAP. Again, your serial number, 685 497. Thank you very much.